Rob Condella here, and next to me is my sidekick, the Factory-R. I've had this thing all over the place, from the glaciers of Iceland to flying with elephants in Botswana, and even over the pyramids in Egypt. It's been my go-to engine now for all of my expeditions. It's something I really trust. It's been amazing. So I've been very fortunate to put so many hours on this motor, literally thousands of hours. And what's amazing, no matter where I am, if I'm in the United States, if I'm traveling, I'm somewhere in the world, the network that's available to me to be able to get parts when needed has been amazing. You know, I can go to some remote places and there's a pilot flying a Vittorazi motor, or there's a dealer, or there's a school where I can get the parts that I need. One thing I really love about the Factory-R is it's lighter, you know? So there's so many ways that that's valuable. You know, on your back, yeah, the motor feels lighter, but some things that like really benefit me is when I'm traveling. You know, every pound matters. So the Factory-R is a lighter motor, so the power to weight ratio is amazing for this. If I'm in remote areas, you know, I want something that has the thrust that can get me out of a tricky situation, whether that's taking off at high elevations or climbing out of a canyon that got a little bit narrower than I wanted it to. The motor has been perfect for that. The paramotor has been an amazing tool for me to fly in beautiful locations, to take some beautiful photos. But one thing that I didn't expect from the paramotor is the community. The community within the United States, and then as I've traveled internationally throughout the whole world, it's been amazing how many friends I've made along the way. You know, from getting invited to family dinners to secret LZs, it's been an amazing tool to sort of expand my worldview, to expand what's out there, to change my perspective on life. The Factory-R has been on so many adventures with me, and it's hard to imagine taking anything else on my next adventure. Wherever that may be, I don't know yet, but wherever I'm going, I'm gonna have the Factory-R with me, hopefully get some nice photos, make some good memories, and just have fun, you know, wander the sky. The Moster185 Factory-R is obviously a beautiful piece of engineering, but the real magic with this motor is the places that it can take you. Oh yeah. The handy box. This thing has been amazing on all my adventures. Of course, you know, since I'm flying so much, I need the spare parts. So this box has pretty much everything I need to do my routine maintenance, to keep me going, keep me exploring. Highly recommend this thing, whether it's in your car, you're traveling around the world, this thing can save a flight, and it might be the best flight of your life. This sport has changed my life in so many great ways, and I invite you guys to try it for yourself. It's one of those things that once you're up there and you see that beauty, it's hard not to do that, to experience that, to go and explore, whether it's in your backyard or across the world. There's so much beauty out there, and this is the tool for that.